This is where we keep our citrus here at YouGarden. We're in one of the amazing greenhouses, and every single citrus plant has been brought indoors. The lemons, the limes, the oranges, the Calamondin Orange, and you absolutely should bring them indoors during the winter months. They can go outside from like March, April time, right the way through to about October, but then they need bringing indoors. And actually, when you bring them in, it does tend to encourage them to flower as well. There's a whole bunch of them in here that are in flower and smelling absolutely amazing at the moment. They're such beautiful plants. I absolutely adore them. I still haven't got myself a citrus, but I'm definitely going to, because they are stunning plants and easy to look after. And of course, these are actually edible fruits. They're not just there for ornamental value. Of course, once they've ripened, you can use those in your cooking. You could make marmalades with them, you can juice them, you could make them with cocktails. How exciting would that be? And the thing is, they're going to ripen all at different times, so you're going to constantly get a supply of those amazing fruits. I think they're fascinating, and I do think they're also very beautiful and easy plants.